friends, it's your old pal, Mrs. Springer. Jesus bless you. I miss you. This first grade video is going to talk to you about the 3 sounds of ED. When we add ED to the end of a word, it can sound 3 different ways. Here's the first one. The first way it can sound is to say ed, or sometimes it sounds more like id. It's a lazy schwa, meaning that it's an unaccented syllable. And so the vowel sound isn't perfect, but it's going to definitely be a vowel sound with that D. It only comes after the letter T or the letter D. When we have T as the last sound in a word, we pronounce that ED as an ed. Waited, floated. When we have a D at the end, last sound, we pronounce it as an ed. Needed, waited. So, ED can sound like ed after a T or a D sound. ED can sound like a T after some other sounds, but more than it sounds like ed, but not as many as the last one. It can sound like a T after f, k, p, s, ks, sh, and ch. Let's look at how that works. CK makes the k sound, so it's kicked. P makes the p sound, so it's dropped. Dance makes the s sound, which is why I didn't say letter, it's sound. Dance makes the s sound, so it's danced. Wish is a sh, so it's wished. Fix is a x, so it's fixed. Miss is a s, so it's missed. Hatch is a ch, so it's hatched. And riff is a f, so it's riffed. So after those sounds, there are 7 of them, but after those sounds, the ED will sound like t. After any other sound, ED will just sound like a d. It won't add a syllable. Any other sound, so close becomes closed, play becomes played, call becomes called, charm becomes charmed, hugged, rubbed. So, if you know the 9 sounds that use ed and t, then everything else does a d. And you can read all those words. I hope you read lots today and do something fun. Jesus bless you. Bye-bye.